To activate your Sky Mobile eSIM, you'll need your eSIM compatible phone, your Sky Mobile eSIM, and an extra device. If your phone isn't from Sky Mobile, you might need to contact your old provider to make sure it's unlocked. Go to sky.com/activation and sign in with your Sky ID. Click Product Settings under Mobile, click Manage. Find your eSIM and click Activate SIM. Choose eSIM and click Continue. You can keep control of your bills from the get-go by setting a spend cap. You can transfer your existing mobile number to Sky. Review your details and press Activate SIM. Once it's activated, click Install eSIM. You'll receive a confirmation code to your email address. You will need 2 devices. On your additional device, log into Sky Mobile. Scan your QR code using the mobile phone that you want to download the eSIM onto. To manually install your eSIM, go to sky.com/mobile setup.